want to come back and add more water right here, so it's almost like touching Moses, but we can add that kind of like at the end when we're just doing our final details. But let's get like our basic structure and outline, and we'll do all of that once we start doing the shading and all of that right here, because these are just like a few lines that we can add. It's just an additional detail that I think would be a nice touch to add, so it will be connected to Moses and it looks more realistic, so it's not this big just random gap here. So we'll go back and add that, okay? And again, this is a 9 by 12 canvas. So I did resize the picture to 9 by 12. So we can see exactly what points go all the way to the end, you know. And it won't be like small in the center of the canvas. We're just retracing our line.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts, through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson.
Water here in the back. Once our drawing is totally complete, I will suggest that you like gloss it. So there's like art gloss that is specifically for sketching, and that just helps to kind of, so it won't smear, and it'll make it last a long time too. Kind of giving us our outline for all of our water. I'm gonna add a few more down here. Okay, and that's this side is pretty good with connecting it to Moses. We will add a few more like back here, but this side is mainly the side we're going to be working on next, just so we can kind of connect everything, and we'll do that before we start shading, so because you won't really be able to go back once we use the marker. So I'll outline it with the pencil and all of that, get the lines that we need, and then go back with the marker and outline it as well. Then we're going to finish outlining Moses, and we're going to pretty much do shading after that. So next we're going to finish a few more outlines, adding a few more details, then we're going to shade, and the drawing will be complete. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the drawing for this week of drawing Moses parting the Red Sea. I did want to let you guys know, make sure you check out our Biblical Arts Museum at abamcenter.com, where we house over 150 different multicultural biblical characters and 20 plus African kings, as well as there has just been added a virtual walkthrough tour of the museum over there, so make sure you check that out. In addition to, if you're watching on YouTube, Make sure you also go to eternalfriends.tv so you can watch Heart for Art on live TV. We're now on the Roku device on Eternal Friends Network TV. You can catch us there 7 a.m. every morning. So if you haven't already, make sure you go over there and check that out. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel at Heart for Art. We're going to be doing step-by-step sketch tutorials of the Bible from Genesis to Revelation. So make sure you stay tuned for the entire series. Again, make sure you guys check us out on heartforart.live so you can get step-by-step sketch tutorials, as well as you can see more ways that you can use your drawing and grow it more as an artist. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Check us out again, heartforart.live. Go ahead over there and avail yourself to all of those resources. God bless, guys. Stay encouraged and don't give up on God's calling for your life. See you next Tuesday, 2 p.m. CST. Bye.
Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership. You will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.